You got it. We have a better one. Levi, hang up.
Hello. No, you're fine. You're fine.
There's definitely space for you. Watch your ankles, buddy. Watch your ankles.
No.
Yes, Daniel. Let's go, Josh. Nice work, Joshua. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Ball's live. Ball's live. Ooh, corner. That was close. No. Oh, good ball, Micah.
Hey, watch it now. You see what they do?
Another corner, Rhett. He was talking about
Morning. Go, Matthew, go.
Good job, Rhett. All right, Micah.
Back in, Parker.
Go, Micah. Nice job, Micah.
Good defense, guys. Good defense.
Ball in, ball in.
Good job, Levi. Way to be there.
There you go. Go, Josh. Go,
Go,
Josh.
Joshua! Go, Josh!
Oh!
Nice
Good try.
Joshua.
Go, Josh.
Pressure. Pressure, White.
Split him. There you go. One on.
Go, Rhett. Rhett, go.
Good. Keep playing.
Daniel.
Daniel. Yeah. Woo! Nice.
Oh, good save, goal.
Nice job, boys.
Good job, Rhett. Way to set that up.
Oh. Josh or Micah?
Good job, Levi. Yes.
There you go, Jason. Wait for the build out. Wait for the build out.
Good try, Levi.
Okay, ball's in white. Keep playing white. Good, Micah.
Nice work.
Good hustle. Play to the whistle, play to the whistle.
Way to be. Good job.
Yeah. Till they call it, I guess.
Good work, Brett. You're good. Great.
There you go. Go, Daniel.
Shoot, cross it. Oh, good try, bud.
Nice hustle, Daniel. Nice hustle.
Good hustle. Keep playing. You're good.
Daniel. Go, go.
Ball's in white.
Make your run.
Good.
Look wide.
Good. Good. Go, Levi. Push it.
Press.
Nice, Levi. Nice work, Levi.
Good. Go, Josh. Yeah!
Levi, nice job, Levi.
Good. Way to pressure that.
Nice job, Josh.
Way to-
Levi, great job out there. Nice work.
Yeah, defense game. Pulls him down quick. Hey, out of it.
Good. Way to work the ball, guys. Good. Keep pressuring, Daniel. There you go. Go, Levi. Good pressure. Good. See, that's why you keep playing. Good cross. Ah.
Nice ball, Levi.
Watch the field. Read it.
Go, Gabe.
Here you go, Gabe. Oh.
Nice try, Daniel.
Okay, ball's in white.
Good job, Jackson.
There you go, Jackson. Good pressure. Jackson, there you go. Stay there. Good.
Yes, nice job, Jackson.
More pressure. Good. Oh, rebound, white, rebound. Oh.
Levi, nice job.
Jackson, great job, bud. That's good defense right there. Yeah, Josh.
Go, Jackson.
Go, Jackie boy.
Jackie boy.
Go, Jackie boy.
Yeah.
Way to slow him down.
Go, Gabe. Nice call. Nice work. Nice teamwork, guys. Way to be talking back there.
Come on, Jackie boy.
Here you go, Gabe. Good, way to fight, way to fight. Keep fighting, keep playing, keep playing. Yeah!
Nice work, Jackson.
Jackson, that was all you! He's playing great. The pressure, the pressure.
Nice teamwork, Jackson.
Good pressure.
Right away from danger, Dozers. Under pressure.
Good job, Levi. Okay, ball in. Good job, Daniel.
Go, Gabe.
Good, Gabe.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Drop ball. Get her.
Magic, he's all better. Imagine that. Imagine that. Oh, now he feels it. Now he's feeling it now. Gabe, breathe. Breathe. Deep breaths.
Nice, Gabe. Also, right? Also.
There you go. Joe. Look at that. Good, good. Speed, speed. Good, Gabe. Keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Turn and burn, turn and burn. Keep playing. There he goes. Good pass. Oh. Way to create, guys. Way to create.
Feed him the ball.
Good pressure. There you go, Rhett. Keep playing, Rhett. Keep playing, Rhett. Fight, Rhett. Fight, Rhett. Fight, Rhett. Now, Rhett. Fight, Rhett. Good. It's all right. Hey, keep fighting, Rhett. There you go. Oh, you got numbers. There you go, Weston. Good. Oh, nice, Gabe. Way to keep that in. Good. Good, good. Go, Weston. Good, Weston. Call it, call it, call it. Oof. Good try.
Where did he get hit?
He probably gets so many bruises on his body. The way he plays.
Go, Gabe.
Good, good. Good, Rat. Good, Daniel.
Nice.
Good. Play fast, play fast.
Who's winning?
Water break, boys. Come on, water break.
I think they scored one goal.
The kids?
Oh, good.
Good.
Go, Jackson, go.
Take a shot. Oh, good try. Yeah, I know she is. You're just telling me all about her. That's who I was like, yeah, Rat. Oh, good try, Rhett. Yuri. I was like, oh, I can't wait to see her.
She's good. Or do you want to cook it? It's your choice, but you gotta come eat it over here. Yeah. Picture this in control. No holes in her, sure.
Play fast, White.
Go,
There you Rhett.
Nice.
Good ball. Good, Weston.
Pay attention, Jason.
Good game.
Good ball.
Come on, Rhett. Win it, Rhett.
Fight, Rhett. There you go. Good.
Good game. Go down, Rhett.
Throw to a spot. To a spot. To a spot. Good spot. Cross it. Cross it. Oh. Wait a whole conversation. Good, Weston. Good. Fight. Fight. Fight, Jackson. There you go. Keep playing. Keep playing. Ooh.
Nice job, Samuel. Way to be there.
Don't be behind the shadow.
Good play, boys. Good play.
Down, Rhett. Go down the line.
Oh, good fight. Good fight. Good fight. Good fight. There you go. Lean into it. Lean into it. There you go. Good ball.
Nice, man.
Do you think, Micah? Oh. Good, Samuel. Fight, fight. There you go. Light. Good. Good, Micah.
Go, Micah.
Oh, nice. Good pal. Oh, good idea. Yeah, Remy. Back on the field. Play fast, Remy.
Good job, Gabe.
Oh, nice. Go, Remy. Fight, Remy.
I don't have a lady. Go, Gabe.
Get wide, get wide.
Yeah, now, Gabe, go, go.
There you go. There you go. Oh. Okay, there you go. Good pressure.
field, Remy.
Good, Remy. Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh.
How can the coach call offside? He's not a linesman, he's the coach.
Unless they know him as a player.
Good job, boys. Good job.
Rhett, you gotta be loud and tell them where you're at.
There's no setback line.
Good, Remy. Who wants it?
Get that ball, Rhett. Get
Go
that
get it,
ball.
guys. Don't wait for it. Go get it. Good, Rhett. Oh.
Switch. Get there, Brent. Get there, Brent. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, good try, Gabe.
Try, Gabe.
Fight, Remy. Fight, Remy. Be strong, Remy. There you go. Go.
Nice throw, Micah.
My ball. Thank you. Hey, get in position, guys. Go, Gabe.
Tell Gabe where you're at.
Oh. Get back, White. Get back, White. Good.
Nice.
Good. Good. Come on, guys. Gabe, just get in the field. Gabe. Oh.
We shared them with all the kids. You got everyone got something different.
You got that, Austin. Get there, get there. Yeah, everybody step up. There you go, there you
Who said that? Joel Holmes? Who was that? That was great. Yeah, Josh. Yeah.
You locked out.
Hey, Rhett, are you okay?
Nope, you found out.
Are you okay?
Great, Jason.
Good, Weston.
Ezra.
Who's up front over here?
Okay, mark up.
Rick,
Mark
mark
up.
up, mark up, Rick.
Good job, Rick.
Nice. Does Daniel have one?
Yeah, go, Remy!
Who wants it? Ah. Go. Go, Josh. Pressure, Josh. Good, good. Way to wall it, way to wall it. There you go. Good job. Good job, 1-3. Good ball, 1-3. Oh. Oh, him. Go in.
Adam, let's use more dribble. Hey, Chandler. Wide, dude. Wide. Wide. Wide.
Okay, hold on, I gotta wait for you don't have to do it right away either.
Okay, Daniel, let's think about the whole field now.
Stand him up.
Oh, because that sun was
Come on, Samuel.
making it hard to record or capture any video.
Yes, Josh. Good thinking. Circle around.
Better, Josh. Better. Josh is on.
Ruby. Ruby player like that. Wait, absolutely.
Ladies, go side.
Good, good. Talk, Chandler. Nice body. Help him, guys. Corner. Way to work for that. Way to work for the corner. Weston, go far. Far. It's a corner. Nathaniel, defense! In front of the goal. Nathaniel, defense! Go! That's the ball. Talk, Ezra, talk to him. Up, Adam, up. Nice try. What color? White throw. Down the line.
One in, one out.
Samuel, move.
Come on, run in, run out. Mark up. Get in, get in. Better, Josh. Better, Samuel.
Stay wide, Josh. Now the switch, Weston.
Come on, here we go. Oh, that was good shit.
Let it go, Rhett.
Ruby early.
Okay, mark up. Hey, quickly, Rhett.
Push up.
Or throw.
Push up. Half line.
One in, one out.
Go.
White up. Up, white.
Nice throw. Switch. All right, throw it in. Chandler, it's you. Drop back, Rhett. Make a run.
Get it wide. Get back and get wide.
We're working around that. Strong enough for top of the box. Get wide and go on with pace.
Switch the field.
Look at Mike. Good ball. Take him.
Good. Ezra.
Look.
Get wide, Josh. Get wide.
Time.
There we go.
Stand him up. Just stand him up.
Better
Get onside, Sam. Get onside, Sam.
go, Sam, to the goal.
Ooh.
Hey, good defense.
We're not goal hunting, dude.
You had him in the center.
Okay, pressure.
Sam, share the ball.
No!
Back up, Sam. Back up.
Go, Sam.
Ball's in. Pressure, White.
Stand him up. Stand him up.
Charlie.
Brent, when that happens, get out and drop for him. And hold at it.
Adam, look to switch.
Stand him up. Stand him up.
Get wide, Josh.
Wide, Josh.
That's a ball. One by the.
Keep him out, Parker. Keep him out. Keep him out. Good.
Don't let him turn. No turn.
Just one to beat,
Let him
Ezra.
out. Let him turn. Just stand him up. Two.
Yeah, right in the middle. We'll take that. Go.
Come on, Daniel. Micah, get out. Micah. Get outside where he can finish it, dude.
Ezra.
West.
Rhett, turn around.
Yes, that's you. You got that. You got that.
This is you, Sam. Samuel, go. See the line.
Bring the ball, Sam.
Time.
Daniel, run back, bud, Daniel.
Nice ball.
Good help, West.
I'll get you out in a second.
Nora.
Forward.
Jason, weak side. Forward. Oh, come on. Oh, that would have been a highlight.
Hey.
Wait. Watch the feet.
Bring the ball and go.
Get wide, Rhett. Josh, wide. Come to him, Micah. Okay, stay wide. Stay. Samuel, move to that side.
Here, guys. The half line.
Ah.
We're up.
You had time. You had time there, Chandler.
Stop, ref.
Josh!
Stop, ref. Stop, ref.
He's over there.
Go. Right mid. Levi, right mid. Midfield, Levi.
Ray! Ball's over
Samuel.
here.
We have 3 players right there, guys.
Ray.
Samuel, go to the up.
Remember, when they serve ball, you got to go and can't try and kill
Touch it. You got it.
You better stand them up, make them make a mistake.
One more. Micah coming. Oh, what a pass.
Wow.
Stop!
What a pass.
Good pass.
Stop!
That was beautiful.
Samuel, put out. Where are you going?
Unless it's right away and then wait, Samuel,
Hey, stop!
Your striker. Micah, good finish. Low and hard. Yeah, go.
Switch it!
Joel, your pressure, come around. Joel, your striker. The ball, dude.
Joe, don't poke it! Joe, stay up here where you belong!
ball.
Oh.
A little under hit.
Joe, listen, Joe, high as you'll let you without being on
Behind you, Levi.
Joel,
Behind
look
him.
at me.
Levi, behind the guy behind you.
Right here. Come on up here. Brett, stay outside.
See him. Brett, see line.
Get there, Anna.
Levi, come wide. Play the switch, Micah. Play the switch. Play it.
Right!
Yes. Now back
Go,
to back.
go, go, come on out! Go, come line! Come line, go!
Ooh.
Levi, great pass.
Beautiful pass.
Okay, pressure, guys.
Ladies, go side.
Come on, play it out for me.
Go side.
So, when they're coming at you,
Play.
you go out here so you really get the ball.
Micah, go.
Or you're going to make it do something. Come with you. Okay? All right.
Now you turn. Get up front, Joel. Get up
Yeah,
front.
go side.
Joel, get up top.
Nice try. Joel, this is your pressure, bud.
Go after it, Joel.
Joel.
Come on. Stand him up. Stand him up.
Talk to him, Adam.
Early. Fight somebody early. Austin, help him, come on.
Good, Levi.
Daniel, give him space instead of watching.
Come this way. Oh, good switch, Levi. Push muscle.
Keep fighting, keep fighting.
Nice park. Nice park.
Brett. Do you need one? You're good? Hey, go.
Okay, Matthew.
One in, one out.
Let's go beast mode here.
One out.
Get downhill, Matthew.
Get back. You got to get back now.
Oh, you're offsides. You're offsides. Get back on the half line. Okay, go get that, Matthew. Go get that.
Play it, Daniel. Play it. Play it. Play it. Play your. Yes. Oh, great thought. Great thought. Look at rolling. One person, one out. One person out. Great space for each other. Brett probably can get bold.
Yeah, you can take him out.
Go.
Hey, Parker, weak side.
Come on, Joel, win it.
Get in there, Levi.
Man on, man on.
Levi, pressure him.
Austin.
There you go.
Austin.
Go, Joel! Yeah! Good job, Joel.
All right, let's do some.
Okay, now up. Go, Brett.
Goal Reeves!
Brett.
Brett.
Top, please. Top.
That's Goal Reeves.
Hey, Austin. Dude, you're watching. You're watching. You got to get back on defense.
Just stand him up, Joel. Just stand him up.
Matty. Mateo, where are you going? Chandler, you're going left defense.
Get back. Get back.
Levi, drop. Levi, drop.
Yeah. Get back. Get faster. Get back.
Go side, ladies. Ruby, go side. Daniel, face the ball. Face the ball, Daniel.
What do you want to do with this? Gavin and Stanley.
Switch the field. Joel.
Go side, ladies.
That's your middle, Micah. You got time.
Take him out.
Go side. Go side. Hustle. Go side.
Play it. Nice.
Good.
Help out.
One more here, bro.
Yeah, get wide, guys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sub.
Adam! Parker! Jason!
Hold it.
Hey, Perkins, can you put on your goalie stuff? Do you have your own gloves?
One in, one out. Move, Joel. Move.
Jackson, go. One in, one out. Go.
Ruby.
Throw the ball.
Matthew asked for it.
Go, Micah.
Levi's on.
Oh, good look.
Levi's on.
Ezra, we also have the big pass to Matthew.
Okay? Pressure, Joel.
Come on, Joe. Come on, stand him up,
Go, you gotta go to the ball.
Joe, go to the ball. Stand him up.
Pay attention!
Good, Weston.
Nice turn. Nice turn, Weston.
I think you're filming it over here because,
The sun.
yeah.
Great
Yeah.
pass, Weston.
Or it's just a better view. Because all the players
It's mostly the sun.
Carry, carry!
Watch the line. Right here. There we go. Step. Play one.
Good, Daniel.
Play him. Play him. Now the
Good.
cross. Okay. Josh, do you need anybody else coming in? Samuel? Micah's going in. Josh doesn't, Micah.
Good tab.
Levi just went in. Hey, Daniel.
Good, Micah. Ooh, good save. Good save.
Rushing hit.
It's a goal kick, or it's a corner kick,
Wait,
right?
can I go?
Daniel,
Yeah, sub.
you're
Sub,
left
sub.
mid. Micah, go to center. Center mid. Left mid.
Go, Daniel.
Face Ruby, come on. Oh, we need a right mid right here. Go. Come on.
No, Levi's right mid.
Awesome goal program.
That's you, Weston.
Oof.
Yes! It'd be my honor!
Joel, you're striker.
Go, Micah. Oh!
Micah, sets Patsy in. If you don't look out, you see the ball going around.
Yeah. Joel.
Oh, goal Reeves!
Goal Reeves.
Goal Reeves!
That's you, Samuel. Samuel.
You gotta stop something.
I don't know.
Austin, talk to him. Talk
Here
to
it comes,
him.
Robbie.
Help him, Josh. Get back, Levi. Get back.
Hey, good job, guys. Hey, Rafe. Rafe, that was all you. Good job.
Hey, Austin. Good job, man.
Rafe, Rafe, come in, Evie. We're guarding the defense. Defense.
Get wide, Levi.
There you go, Rafe.
Josh,
Rush your
Play
help.
it out. Get wide, Levi.
Clear it, wide.
Okay, look at Samuel. Play Samuel down the line. Right now, the cross.
Good.
Good Chandler, good Chandler. Run away from him, Chandler.
Help him. Go to Micah. Go to.
Separate him. Hey,
Go
good
quickly.
pressure.
Hey, mark
Quickly.
up.
Quickly.
Hey,
Move and
Matthew.
run.
One in, one out.
Go. If you
Right
get the
on.
ball, that's a great. Hey, if you get the ball down the line straight, there's probably going to be some in there.
One in, one out. Come on, catch him.
Go.
Get out.
Good line.
Let's go.
Okay. Come on, move, guys. Daniel, go. Go. Get back. Hustle back on defense.
Time. Ruby, Charlotte, let's go.
Listen, we have
Out.
Clear it.
Adam. We have
There you
like
go.
6, 7, 8 minutes. It's like 6, 7, 8 minutes left. Good ball.
Remy!
Go hard, okay?
Give him a pass, Ruby.
Where are you going, by the way?
Corner kick. Oh, Mike, they've been in all game.
Hey, Jason, weak side. Go in the junk roll.
Gavin, you're going to the strike. Good.
Hey, we're defending. You need to scoot in the middle. We're defending. We're defending, Austin. Austin, when we're defending, we're guarding the middle.
Gavin, maybe Brett, you want to go? So Rhett center mid, striker, and head back him at D. So big back. All right, you're center mid, Mike. Going for Samuel.
Sub, please. Sub, please.
Sub.
Sub.
Samuel.
You got Ezra.
Come on out.
Micah.
Jackson.
Jackson.
Come on out. Come on.
We're going to move you back in.
Sam. Sam. If you want to play, you got to get the ball. Or you got to call and say, I can't make it.
Rhett, you're center mid. You got to control the middle.
Natty, Ruby, up.
Get back.
Here we go.
Go back. Gavin, go back with the ball. Get wide then, guys. You got to get rid of the ball. Out, down the line, Gavin. Come, you got to come this way.
Gavin.
This way.
No, come when we get the ball, you're supposed to push the line.
Rhett, don't run away from the ball. Running.
Drop out, drop back, Rhett, drop back.
One out.
Go. Get out. Go. Go. Throw.
Come on, Gabe. Go, Gabe. Throw the ball. Throw it in, Gabe. Get it in.
Ben.
Step. Wide. Play him. Drop back, Rhett. You got to come to him.
Switch it. Switch the ball, Rhett.
Good hustle, Chandler. Run onto that.
Down the line, he's going to go.
Hey, Dozers. Adam, hey, Austin, Ezra, and Adam. I love that intensity up there. Are you subbing? Then get out of this. You can't stand here because that's...
Move,
One in,
Gavin.
one out. Let's go. Gavin, wake up. One in, one out.
Save, Remy.
No.
Out.
Time. Move, Gavin, move. Find some space.
Time, Chandler.
Sub.
Chandler.
Hey, good job, man. Dude, that's what you're low to. Rhett, focus. Throwing.
Hey.
Did you want to put some of this in the back of your bag?
Hey, go to the ball. Let's do an option, guys.
Gavin, get up front. Get up front, Gavin.
Ezra, let's get...
Dude, pressure, no turn.
That's better. Get the ball, Gavin. Get after it.
Quickly throw, Gabe. Quick throw, Gabe. Rhett, you're out of there. You're the middle. Get out. Come on, big throw.
Where's your other defender back here?
Go. Get back.
Gabe, I don't want you taking the throw in. Because I said so. That's
Come
all.
on.
Stop, Gabe. Stop.
Hang on, no. Is it a free kick?
Daniel, you can't go in there. Come on, get back out. Get out.
Come mark up. Mark one of these guys up. Ezra, mark someone up.
Get the foul. Get the foul.
Graham or Parker. You ready? Adam, middle behind you. Jason, weak side. Adam, you are marking people up behind you. Look behind you too.
Oh!
Yeah, we put Gabe in for that. Rep, come out.
Gavin, come out. Sam, stop stabbing at the ball. Sam, look at me. No
Hey,
noise.
Adam, free kick. Nathaniel, Ezra, get up. Up. Adam, put Graham in the box.
Back up, Gabe.
Corner, Adam, I wanted you to wait for your guys behind you. Hey, Adam, corner. Jason, get in the jump ball.
Quickly, guys.
Hey, he's on. Levi's on.
Samuel, switch the ball. Corner, go. Corner kick, Levi, quickly, let's go.
Dropping Callan off 5 down. And Dustin will be there. So I guess it's the last game.
Hey, run on that. We need help, guys.
Drop out, Daniel, drop out.
That boy, Andy. Spread out. Levi, pinch
Levi,
in.
back. Daniel, back. You have one behind you, Daniel. Read the field. Samuel, win the ball.
Josh, switch, Josh.
Drop
Switch
Nathaniel,
it.
Nathaniel, play D. Adam, get in there.
Good work, babe.
I know you want to play. I don't like it, but you gotta share. You gotta share time.
Oh boy, that's a great pass back right up there. Out, St. Luke. That's why they call it a pass back, because he goes up fast.
Nice, Josh.
Win the ball, Sam. Sam, win the ball.
Get back, Daniel, on defense.
Levi, cut in. Levi, cut in. Levi, cut in. Cut in. Just be safe.
Adam, get in there, cause
Then you
havoc.
get on your bike.
Pressure, Adam.
Okay, now you come, Levi. Levi's on.
Pitch in, Nathaniel.
Now the cross. Get wide, Josh.
Win it. There we go.
Wrong side,
Get on
Dave.
the end of it, Nathaniel. Get on the end of it.
Hey, Gabe. Wrong side. Sam, win the ball. Win it.
Get wide.